5 minutes later, and after a lot of negotiating, stop riding my ass. I got this. You do not need to push me off of the skyscraper. Got it? Just make sure you have my Butterfinger Blizzard before I leave the station tonight. I start making my way down the skyscraper. All of a sudden, my spotter's face was in my crotch area. Whoa. This guy is all up in my personal business, and I didn't wear underwear that day because I didn't want it to start on fire. All he's doing is like, sorry. You little perp, I am not that kind of a woman. The whole way down, his face was in. This is my lady parts, and this was his face. Feels to meet someone's crotch before actually meeting the person. Is that how a one-night stand is? You just kind of like, oh hey, that's what I'm really interested in. And that's how I met my future husband. Just kidding. We get down, and he sprints over by me, and he gets up in my face and goes, ugh, sorry. It's okay, little fire dude. Sometimes in life, you just find your face in another person's crotch. It happens.
Nope. I'm not doing that.
Tune in every Tuesday for a new episode, or as I like to call it, diary entry. So thank you.